The Philippine government has lost its second attempt to stop the International Criminal Court from investigating the so-called war on drugs, as the tribunal's appeals chamber voted to resume the investigation into the controversial crackdown ordered by former President Rodrigo Duterte.
What tipped the scales in our favor would be the almost 100% support of victims. So the ICC is a victim-centered court.
Victims such as Jane Lee's husband, Michael, who witnesses say was shot by masked men in 2017. She says she's lost her faith in the criminal justice system.
My husband has been dead for 6 years, but the police never got back to me with any updates on their investigation.
Police records show more than 6,000 were killed during drug raids since 2016. But human rights organizations estimate thousands more were killed vigilante style. Since then, there have been only 2 murder convictions of policemen. Families of victims of former President Rodrigo Duterte's drug war are celebrating the decision of the International Criminal Court to resume its investigation into extrajudicial killings. But it is a cautious celebration. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. and his officials have said they're not cooperating with the ICC.
It is, of course.
The Philippine government had argued that it is taking steps to seek justice for victims and that it had withdrawn from ICC jurisdiction in 2019.
The crimes committed again in the Philippines when the Philippines was still a member of the Rome Statute, which is a treaty that created the ICC, are still going to be under the jurisdiction of the ICC for investigation.
Families of victims and their supporters say they're under no illusion that justice will now be handed to them. But every small step towards justice, they say, matters. Barnaby, Jazeera, Manila.
Donald Trump says he's received